can hear me now?
Yes.
Okay, so let's begin today's meeting now. I will first give you a brief introduction about our company and also the meeting, and then we will begin the conversation with the suppliers.
Okay.
So nice to meet you all online. I am Annie, the host from Echemi, and greetings from Qingdao. And this is my colleague Julie, and she will be the translator today. So if you have any questions during this meeting, you can ask her to help you. And it is such a great honor to meet you at 2021 Echemi International Coating and Fine Chemical Match Meeting. Echemi Group is a chemical supply chain service company headquartered in Hong Kong, providing chemical raw material supply, research and analyze, digital solutions, marketing, distribution, logistics, e-commerce, and after-sales services. This event will help buyers find high-quality global coating and fine chemical suppliers through the online conversation. Also, suppliers will have face-to-face business meetings with potential business partner online. Today, there will be several suppliers joining the meeting. And please stay with us during this meeting. Now we will invite suppliers to meet you in turns. Joining us today is Kim from Korea, and also the first supplier is from India, who is providing the ethyl acetate. And now you can start your conversation. Maybe you can start from your brief introduction to each other.
Me.
Hello, dear T sir. How are you?
Are you?
Good. Yes.
Hello.
So, T sir, let me just. Actually, your voice is echoing, T sir. Can you just? Yeah, I think you need to close the speaker and mute from one device, either from your cell phone or from your laptop. Then it will start stop the. Yeah, now it's better. So T sir, let me just introduce you about our company. My company's name is Kairos Impex Private Limited. I am the director of Kairos Impex Private Limited. We are into the exports of chemicals, mainly into the ethanol and ethyl acetate. We are contract manufacturers of ethanol in India, and we are having very strong connections with all the manufacturers who are manufacturing ethanol. And some of our very close relatives are also on the Sugar Board Association and Ethanol Board Association of India. And as you will be aware that India is scaling up its ethanol manufacturing capacity to nearly 7 to 8 times of the current existing facility. So in Asia, India is going to be the dominant player in the supply of ethanol, supply and export of ethanol globally. So right now we are exporting our ethanol to Singapore, Malaysia, and also to Sri Lanka as far as the Asia is concerned. And we are supplying and exporting our ethanol to Africa as well, to all the liquor manufacturing industries. And in India, we are also catering to the paint companies like Asian Paints, Nerolac Paints. So there we are supplying our ethanol. And similarly, we are having contract manufacturing for ethyl acetate as well. So these two are our dominant segments in which we are working right now. And we would love to hear out from you what is your working in the paint industry, because I saw that you are into the manufacturing of paints. So we would love to hear from you about your business.
Okay, I see. We are the manufacturer of the paint and coatings in Korea. The our company is top 5 in Korea. Company in Korea is before I joined this company, I was working for the Actor Nobel. in Korea. So I just moved to this company earlier this year. And then I needed to find out more ethyl acetate supplier through the Echemi.
Wow. So you are looking for ethyl acetate supplier now.
And then so the other, maybe if you have the other product like butyl acetate or some of the more specialty monomer or like something like that solvent or the others.
Can you repeat again what you said, sir? After the specialty monomer?
Yes, and the others like for normal for the paint and coatings.
Okay. Okay. So what all raw material you are requiring right now?
At this moment, and polyvinyl, something. Are you just the trade or the manufacturer?
We are the contract manufacturers in India.
As your company, your company is a private company, and then you can have some relationship with the manufacturer in India. That's correct.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I see. It's,
So T sir, in paints, you are also looking for ethanol currently?
sorry.
Are you also purchasing ethanol for the manufacturing of paint?
Yes.
Yes. So which grade you are procuring currently?
No. If you have any contract, any relationship with the manufacturer of polyvinyl, vinyl then fluoride. If you have any kind of relationships with the manufacturer of PVDF, polyvinyl then fluoride.
Polyvinyl ethyl fluoride.
Polyvinyl then fluoride. It means it is usually used for the lithium battery for the electronic car.
Okay. Used in lithium battery.
There's some most of the trade or the supplier uses call it the PVDF, polyvinyl lithium fluoride.
PVDF.
Yes, that's correct.
Okay, PVDF. Okay. Okay. Sure. I can look for it.
Yeah.
India. And
Sure.
I can let you know. Meanwhile, T sir, for ethanol, which grade you are procuring currently?
Ethanol? No.
Ethyl alcohol.
Just the ethyl acetate and the butyl acetate.
Ethyl acetate and
Yes, butyl acetate.
butyl acetate.
Yes.
Okay. So, okay, you are currently procuring only ethyl acetate and butyl acetate. Okay.
Yes, maybe the other one is. And then after if you give me some your email and your product list, I can choose it and then let you know.
Yes. If you want, I can right now share my screen as well, wherein you can see our ethanol and ethyl acetate. I have got the documents ready with me. So shall I share it with you on email or shall I share it on the screen right now?
Please send me email.
Okay. I will share it with you on email, sir.
Sure. And then so the other one is I said to you PVDF.
PVDF, yes.
Yes.
Yeah. So I will mail you, sir, regarding the products I have, that is ethanol and ethyl acetate. And you can revert me with your requirement for PVDF with the COA that you are looking for. And if I can get the indicative prices, it will be very easy for us to, close the deal sooner.
Sure, I'll do.
Yeah. And you are requiring ethanol, sir? in your factory, because it is usually used as a raw material in the paint industry. Ethanol,
Yeah.
96%, 99%.
Yes, that's correct.
Yes. So which one you are using?
Maybe the 99%.
Okay. Ethanol 99%. Okay. And what you are yes. Can you hear me, sir?
Sure, I can hear you.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm asking what is the monthly volumes you are looking for ethanol 99%?
That's maybe 2 ISO thing.
2 ISO
Around,
tanks.
yes, if you can keep the steel drum, it is okay.
Steel drum, or yeah, will it be suitable for you in HDPE drums, plastic drums? Because steel drums right now, the steel prices is sky high, and it can be very much cost effective in the HDPE plastic drums, because we exported in ethanol to Singapore in HDPE plastic drums currently.
I needed to check with our HSE teams because if the plastic drums can be broken easily, so that they don't want to use it.
Oh,
I know the
okay.
steel drum is higher than the plastic drum, but our company needs a steel drum, not the plastic drum.
Steel drum. Okay, okay, no problem. I can share with you both the quotations.
Okay.
Not a problem. Yeah, steel drums. And you are requiring ethanol 96% as well? No, okay. And this ethanol 99% that you are requiring, is it grain-based ethanol or molasses-based ethanol you are looking for?
Grain-based.
Grain-based, because usually molasses-based people are preferring.
Yeah.
So whichever you require, we can cater you. That's not a problem.
Okay.
Great, T sir. I have noted down your contact information. Soon I will be sending you an email with all the products that we are having available with us. So
After
you would like to.
After I check your product list, which item I need, and then let you know by the time.
Yes, yes. Surely, sir. Surely.
Hi, City House. You can like Jesse to send you the buyer's contact info, and then you can contact him by email or other SNS app. So the second supplier is from China. Yeah, it's from China, Wanling Group, and this company is the factory for the polyester resin. And now, Scott, you can give the buyer a brief introduction about your company and then start the conversation.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm so glad to meet with you online. And let me give a simple introduce about my company. My company is Hubei Wanling New Material Technology Company Limited. It's a new company invited by the major shareholder of the Shandong Wanling New Materials, specializing in the production of the unsaturated polyester resin. The registered capital of the company is 92.5 million yuan, and the main technology depends on the Shandong Wanling New Materials Technology Company Limited. And at the present, we have 4 production bases. One is the Jinmen Hubei province. Is 250,000 tons capacity. The second one is the Ningjing Hebei province. The capacity, the production output is 105,000 tons. The third factory is the Dezhou Shandong province. The output is 6,000 tons per year. And the fourth factory is the Zibo Shandong province. And the output is 4,000 tons capacity. Now, our company have many series and more than 300 brands of the products, such as welding pipes, resin for the coating, molding protraction, artificial store resin, light vinyl resin, which are widely used in the lightweight engineering, environmental protection engineer, rail transit, energy saving buildings, home decoration and painting, and other national economic. The company have the production manager, management, marketing, research and development, logistics top team of the more than 80 people, production team of more than 300 people. So yeah, so our company is committed to providing customers with a full range of the synthetic resin solution. Yeah, this our factory's simple introduction. Yeah, thank you.
Thank you. That's we are the manufacturer of the paint and coatings in Korea. Our company is top 5 company in Korea. As we are all of the product, all of the paint, like it's without the marine coatings and
Yes.
Our company manufacture all of the product, all of the paint range. I think that I need the polyester resins, and then your company manufacturer for the polyester resins for powder coatings, or what the other is wet paint?
Sorry, excuse me.
It's, I'm looking for the polyester resins for powder coatings.
Powder coatings.
Yeah, powder coatings.
Oh, yes. Actually, our factory, our company is strong on the corrugated sheet and the artificial store resin. Yeah.
Architecture.
Yeah.
That's
Artificial
correct.
store resin. Yeah. And the corrugated sheet is like the continue plate. Yes. Also like other SMC, BMC, and some low shrinkage additive. So I'm not sure which brand are suitable for you. Yeah.
Okay, I see. It doesn't matter if you just a second, please. I'm now showing your company homepage. Unfortunately, there is just no English version.
So now you are visiting my company's website.
It's a Wangling Group. That's correct.
Yeah. Wangling Group. We have websites. Have the English website.
It's the WLSUPR.
Yeah. www.com. Yeah. UPR line 1 WL line UPR.com.
Okay, I see.
Sorry to interrupt you. I want to give explanation about your the materials Mr. Kim just now request. Scott.
Yes.
Here I want to do more explanation about the material from Wangling Group. Just now I talked with Scott. The strong material from Wangling Group is the resin used in the casting resin. Do you know?
No.
It's just like a stone, quartz stone. You know? And also
No.
another strong material, their material is used in the light shining tile.
Mm.
Do you know this material?
China?
The light shining tile used in the house. Light shining tile, the resin used in the light shining tile. And also they also have some UPR. They also have some UPR used in the corrosion prevention coating, and also some coating undercoat coating used in the ship and boats.
I see. I understand that they
Yeah.
are they are manufactured for the vinyl ester resin, and then so they are also manufacture maleic or phthalic anhydride or maleic anhydride. They are manufacturing.
Yeah. So their material is matched to your production line, the resins.
Yeah, I see. I understand that. And then so rubber gum resin or filament winding resin, vacuum continuous plate resin. It's if
So you are mainly looking for the UPR used in the powder coating, right? Powder
yes,
coating.
at this moment I'm looking for the polyester resin for the powder coatings. If they but if they are not manufacturer of the polyester resin for powder coatings at this moment, but I'm now seeing their homepage. So Malay anhydride or phthalic anhydride they are manufacturing.
Yeah.
Yes, or which we are using the two of anhydride, the Malay or phthalic. I just want to have the COA or some of the technical data sheet.
Okay. Okay, so later Scott will share with you some resins used in the coating field, right? Like the anti-corrosion coating, and also some undercoat coating used in the ship and boats. This kind of materials, yeah. Yeah, so later Scott will send you some COA and TDS for information, okay?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah, hi.
Hello.
Hi. Sorry, it was a network issue.
Oh,
Yeah.
you are also on the road. Maybe you can start the conversation with our buyer, and you can give a brief introduction about your products first.
Yes. Hi. I'm a producer of ethyl alcohol and ethyl acetate in India, and my company name is called Rajganga Biorefineries Private Limited, which is located in quite near to the Mumbai. Maybe have you heard about the place, the Bombay?
No. I heard about the Mumbai.
Have you been there? Have you been there?
I have not been there. I heard about the
Okay,
Mumbai.
no problem at all. So my plant capacity. Okay. Good. So my plant capacity is 50 ton per day. Now we are expanding to the 100 metric ton per day. But right now we have a 50 metric per day for ethyl acetate. So that is goes around the 1.5 million ethyl acetate per month. That's our production capacity. And for ethyl alcohol business, we have a 20 million, like a 20 million capacity for ethyl alcohol business in India right now. So for the ethyl acetate, for the ethyl acetate, we are exporting to the African market. That is mostly the Ghana market, Ghana, Nigeria, then also to the Canadian market and the Brazilian market. We are exporting this, the ethyl acetate to the these two markets.
Okay. That's it.
Yeah, that's it. That's from my
Yeah,
side.
that is it.
Yeah. So
You,
may I
you-
know the
what kind of acetate you manufacture?
sorry, sir, I can't hear you properly. Sorry.
That's what kind of solvent, like as ethyl acetate, or the other acetate, like as a butyl acetate, or what some of the other solvent I manufacture.
So
What
your
kind of-
voice is not. Sir, can you please put the earphones because your voice is not clear because of the
Okay, I
some
see.
I think so air problem.
Is what kind of solvent do you produce? What kind of solvents? Like it's MIBK, something like that, the butyl acetate. You only just produce ethyl acetate.
Yeah, so we only produce ethyl acetate to the domestic market, for the Indian domestic market and for the international market. That's a one solvent that we are producing
Okay.
right now. Yeah.
As any other raw material for paint coatings? Any other raw materials? Any other raw materials? Any other
Any other
material?
that yeah, so the other solvents like MAG, DAG, that is monoethylene glycol, diethylene glycol, and triethylene glycol, we are importing from the Saudi Arabian market. That's we are the importer for the Saudi Arabian market. And for the ethyl alcohol that I told you, the alcohol and ethanol, that we are the number one. Like I will proudly say that we are the number one for the alcohol and ethanol market in Maharashtra state. There is a state, 28 state in India. That's one state that is called Maharashtra. We are the number one producer of alcohol and ethanol for for the production, yeah, in the market, in the Indian market. That's we have the three major products. That is, one is ethanol, second is alcohol, third is ethyl acetate, because ethyl acetate is made up from the alcohol and acetic acid. That's a raw material for the ethyl acetate. And the fourth one is the MAG, DAG, and TAG. That is monoethylene glycol, diethylene glycol, and triethylene glycol. That's it.
Okay, I see. Can you send me the technical data sheet for ethyl acetate?
Yeah, I can send you.
And
Yeah. I'll send you.
DEG and the other glycol. You manufacture.
Yeah. I'll send you. I'll
Sure.
mail you. No, yeah, we are the not manufacturer of MAG, DAG, and TAG, not it. But we are like my team. My R&D team is working on the bio MAG, TAG, and DAG. That is, we wanted to produce a bio, not a conventional one, not an industrial one. We wanted to produce for the bio. That is mainly used for the Coca-Cola and the Pepsi market. They are the two major customers for these products.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. So may I get your email address, please, so I can send you the COA, that is certification of analysis. Just put it on the there is a section called message or something, I think so, in the in the chat box, maybe, please.
Sure. You can see my email address in the chatting box.
Okay.
Can you see? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
So
thank you.
what else? Yeah.
Sure.
Thank you so much. So I have seen your company.
I also trade.
Yeah, we also trading for the MAG, DAG, and the TEG products. We also the trader for that product also.
Yes, if you have some product list, your
Product
list. Product list.
Product list. Okay,
Yes.
I'll send you the product list on the email address. So
Okay.
you can get the the information about my product list, and I'll send you that. Please send
Sure.
your email address on chat box so I can send it to my team and they will send it to you. Okay.
Sure. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah, sure.
later Lisa will share you the buyer's email, and then you can send him an email about your product list. Is that okay?
Okay.
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 Okay. Yeah, no problem at all. No
Okay.
problem at all. Yeah.
Thanks for
Yeah.
your time, sir.
Thank you.
And
Thank
then,
you.
yeah, and now I need to invite other. Now you can leave the meeting.
Bye.
Okay. So you're now
Bye-bye.
going to close it. Okay, no problem.
Yeah.
Thank you so
Yes,
much. Thank you.
bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you for your time.
Yes. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
So now let's come to the fourth supplier from China. It is the factory for HEA and HPA. So Jody, you can start now.
Okay, first I will introduce my company briefly. My company is Heze Changshengyuan Technology Company Limited, and the factory is located in Shandong province. We produce HEA, HPA, HEMA, and HPMA. And we have reached for EU market and key reach for Korea market. Yes. And we have ISO certificates.
I see
And,
your website. I'm now
okay.
looking for your website. I'm now searching.
Okay, and the production capacity is I made a PPT, but there's no way to see.
Yeah.
Here's the English company profile. Yes, we mainly produce HEA, HPA, HEMA, and HPMA. Here's the basic situation of our company. And we have some work partners with some companies. This is the specification of HEA. You can have a look at these specifications.
You mean the I see.
Yes, HEA. So may I ask which purity do you need?
The content minimum 97.7%. You mean I mean the super grade.
The super grade, yes?
Yes, that's correct. Its purity is hair. That's correct. Hair content. Is this the purity meaning is hair content? That's correct.
So what about the water content?
What content? The specification is 0.3%.
0.3.
Yeah.
Okay, so our specification is okay.
And then color is below the 30. It's APHA.
30.
Yeah, below 30. Maybe like it's maybe 20. Maybe the super grade is the specification of super grade is meet our specification.
Okay. Okay, I know. So this is HEA, I get it, and HPA is also the super grade. Can you clearly see the specification?
I'm now looking for our specification. Sorry.
Okay.
Please wait. The content is the purity is minimum 97%. Color is 30. Water content is 0.3.
97, yes.
Yeah. That is also super grade.
Okay.
Okay. Are you manufacturer of HPMA? That's great. Also,
Okay. Next one is HEMA, HEMA.
it's just okay. Skip it. We don't use it. Hammer.
Okay. This is HPMA.
Yeah, just a second, please.
We also export the purity 98.
At this moment, we are using the Nippon Shokubai is the materials product, and then ROM purity to 98%.
Yeah, 98. Okay.
And water content at 0.2. And then color is below the 20.
20. Okay.
That is also super great.
Yeah.
Yes, and inhibit content is slightly higher than our specification because our inhibitor based on MHQ, the ppm is 200 plus minus 20%, but the UI is 60. It's so a little bit wide than our specification. Without the inhibitor contents, the other items is to meet our requirement. I mean that
So
yeah.
You mainly use these 3 products, yes?
Yeah.
And could you tell me the quantity you need per year or per month? It's okay.
It's here is around 60 tons or metric ton, 60 metric tons a month. HPA is around 30. HPMA around 10 or 10 to 12. As I have another one question for the hair HEA. Can you control the chloride content? Chlorine content. Yes.
Just now, Judy told me the chloride content of their HEA is 0 because they have changed the catalyst in their production line. So there's no chlorides or chlorine content in their HEA now. It's zero content.
You mean maybe I know there is so many maybe 2 or 3 production way. You don't need the chlorine. They do not using the chlorine to manufacture hair. That's great.
Yes, pardon?
Actually, I mean that the company name is I cannot pronounce very well.
From China?
Yeah. No. That's the company name is Changsheng. They are using the chlorine or not?
No,
they are using. Are they using the chlorine to manufacture the hair or not? I mean that they are using the chlorine or chloride for the producing hair. My question.
他说那个朱迪，Kim 刚才问，就是您家这个整个的生产流程就是没有用到这个含氯的一个产品，一个原材料，对吧？就是氯含量就是0呗，对吧？
对。
Kim their HEA has no the chloride content is 0 in their HEA.
Okay, I see.
Yeah, because they have changed their catalyst in their production line before years, so they didn't use any material can include the chlorine inside.
Okay, I see.
Yeah,
I see.
yeah,
Okay, I see.
yes.
It's, can they give some quotation?
So based on which quantity?
It's maybe the per container base and CIF to some pot.
CIF push and port. So based on which quantity?
It's how many quantity can they loaded 20 feet container? Maybe I think maybe 16.
Yes, 16 metric tons in the 20-foot container.
Okay.
So
And also I need some of they are also they already registered KDC their product for hair HPMA already they registered in a KDC.
yeah, they already got the key-rich certification in Korea.
Okay.
Yeah.
I see. And then so I guess that if they are also they already registered in Korea, so they have the MSDS in Korean. Not
没有
English, but 没有.
没有
only English.
Only English, I see. Okay. Okay, I see. Thank you. And then so I need a quotation, and then if their price is competitiveness with the current so I asked them to send me sample 3 grade hair HPMA around maybe different lots, so 2 kgs, 2 lot, 2 batches, not 1 batch, 2 batches, 2 batches and 2 kg. 2 kg of batch, I need 2 lot, different lot, not same lot. You mean that the 4 kgs I need? Can you understand me?
Please wait. Let me repeat again. So you mean 2 packages of HDA you want a request from Hotel Changshan?
Yes.
2 packages. So
2 kg. 2
kg sample.
Yes, the 4 hair HPMA, HPA.
Together, or each of them 2 kg.
Yeah, yeah.
You mean each of them 2 kg sample you need now?
Yeah.
I see. Okay. So after their quotation, if you think the quotation is okay, you will request the 2 kg sample for test in your product in your laboratory later.
Okay.
Am I right? Okay.
Yes,
okay.
That's correct.
Okay. Okay, Kim, another question from them?
Miss Anna, I have another question. If they have some experience, I needed to check their experience to export them to Korea before.
You mean you want to check what?
They have any other experience of export them? That means it's a hair HPMA to Korea.
So you want to check is there have any export experience to Korea before?
Yeah.
Kim, just now Judy said they have export some HDA, HPA, and HPMA to Korea through other traders in China. And yes, and there has no any quality complaint before this.
I see.
Yeah, and also their main market is the European market, like Dow, like BASF is the very big customer there. So
I see.
yeah.
And then also and then can they send the PPT materials to me?
您可以把这个 PPT 小伙发给他吗？这个介绍。
可以。
Okay, no problem. Later, Judy will send you the profile, the PPT profile to you to have a check.
Thank you.
Yeah. So another question?
No question.
No? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Okay.
Thank you. But the Vietnam company is also I visited their website, but they do not produce polyamide.
Polyamide, you mean?
Yes, I have SPU, the Kim New Ongu Instrument and the Chemical Export Import Trade Stock Company. The website is Pacific Bitcan. Home is Vietnam. I visit them their website. They just produce is polyaluminum chloride for the water.
Maybe so you mean you cannot open their website now?
No,
actually,
I cannot.
Yeah, actually they're the manufacturer of the HEA and HPA like the before supplier.
No. I mean that the Vietnam company.
Vietnam. You mean the next one?
Last one.
I see.
Their main product is a polyamide, but I have visited their website. They only the producer is polyaluminum chloride.
I think maybe they produce these products in water treatment use.
Yes, we don't need the water treatment materials.
Oh, I see.
I need the polyamide.
Okay.
Polyamide used in the epoxy coating.
Yes, that's correct.
I see.
And then so we have I have some of a lot of information from this meeting, and then 2 Indian company is maybe 2 Chinese company, and I have listed my proposal through this meeting. Thank you for your time. And I have to leave right now because another meeting is waiting for me.
Oh, I see.
Okay.
Okay.
So maybe for the fifth supplier, because she's also online, maybe I will let her to contact you by email and to send their company profile and also the COA and TPS for HEA and HPA, and then you can contact with them for more details about the products. And it's pretty that you need to leave now, so maybe. Maybe we can meet in other exhibitions or the online meeting soon in next year or next month, maybe.
Sure.
Sure, and we can keep in touch. And I know you are still subscribe our weekly price and market insights. And if you have any other questions about the products, you can also email me. And after this meeting, I will send all the contact email about the suppliers attending the meeting today to you, and then you can establish the contact with them.
Okay.
Okay, thank you very much for your time.
Many thanks for your time, Kim.
Okay,
Yeah.
bye bye.
Yeah. Have a good day. Bye
You
bye.
too. Bye bye.
You take care. Bye bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye bye.